personal email up to your Gmail account, you want to first log in to your personal Gmail account, like so. Once you get to your inbox, go over to the gear thing over on the right here, click on Settings, and then once that loads, click on Accounts. Once you get to the Accounts page, go down to the Check Mail from Other Accounts using POP3. Add a POP3 mail account, and type in the email address of your business account into this box here. Make sure that everything is spelled correctly, and then go ahead and click on Next Step. Now for the username, you want to go ahead and add the @yourdomain.com or .net or whatever. Make it the same exact thing as the email address. Type in your password, and then for the POP server, just go ahead and change mail to POP. Now the port number should be correct, so you shouldn't have to mess with that at all. Now one cool thing you can do is label all of your messages from this account to a certain folder in your Gmail account. So you can create a new one here, or if you have one already set up, you can use that, and this can help you organize the messages that come in from this account so you know it's not a personal thing. And to go one step further, you can have it just skip the inbox completely, so you never even see it in that. It just goes to this label. So now that we've done this and it worked correctly, we can add our account to be able to send from this account. So we want to go ahead and do that. Notice you can change your name if you want it to be more professional than your personal account. You can just leave this checked. That's not really a problem. Go ahead and click Next Step. And I usually just leave this checked because it says it's easier to set up and we like easy things. Alright, now before we can send it as someone else, we need to verify that we actually have access to this account. So you can go ahead and click Send Verification, and they want a code in this box right here. So if you remember, we just set up this account to go retrieve mail from that server and put it in our account. So we can either sit here and wait until it checks, or if you want, you can actually click Check Now down here, and it will go and retrieve that email right away. If you remember, I actually had checked for the email to go into a label that I created for this account, so it's actually going to be in that label down here. So if I check that, there it is. So on this email, all they want is the code here, so I can highlight this code, right click, click copy, and then go to the screen where they want the verification, right click in the box, click paste, and then verify. And now if I go back to my settings page and back to my accounts, it should show up here in the send mail as option. So some things I can do. I can make it a default address if I want to always send from that. Or one thing that is really handy is this reply from the same address the message was sent to. So that way, if someone sends an email to my personal account, when I hit reply, it replies as my personal account. If someone sends mail to my company server and it gets forwarded to me, when I click reply, it'll just reply as that company email address. So that's handy if you don't want to remember to switch your name all the time. Now if you like to switch your name, when you click compose, you can click the from box and it'll give you all the options to select whatever name you want. And you can even see that each time you switch your name, it actually changes your signature for you, how you have that set up in your signature box. So hopefully that shows you how to transfer email from your company site to your personal Gmail account.